Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to save Notion on Twitter. Open your Twitter app. First, you need to click on this icon in the bottom right corner. Then, you need to type @save to Notion. And type something with a hashtag in here. Next, tap on this tweet button in the top right corner. Now you can see this your tweet was sent message in the top of all. So tap on that message. Here you can find your Notion. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.